Hello, and thank you for making a time to join us today. Today we are just looking at work uniform expenses. What are you entitled to claim? I know there are some particular occupation that you need to have a uniform as a protection, a protective uniform. These include nurses, doctors, we have firefighters, we have policemen. So we just want to have a look at what you can claim when you have to wear a uniform. Okay. As usual, I'm going to share my screen with you and we'll go to some few points. So just bear with me. Let's have a look at what we have on the video. I have a summary point, so just bear with me. As I began, so we are looking at work uniform expenses. What can you claim? There are two ways that you can claim work uniform expenses. Normally, you buy the uniform, that is the initial cost, and then you also incur cost of maintenance, like repairing, cleaning, and restoring it to its original form. Or sometimes you can even replace it by a new one. So what are you entitled to claim? The tax legislation states that you can't claim for the initial cost of buying a uniform. However, you can claim repairing or replacement of protective clothing and uniform necessary for your work. Yeah, for your work is eligible for tax relief. So you can claim for cleaning costs, repairing, replacing costs, and then as a tax relief if you have to incur this. Maybe you are a firefighter, you are a nurse, you are a doctor, you are entitled to claim tax relief for cleaning costs, repairing costs, and replacement costs. Let's have a summary point. So let's have a look at what is on the screen and then we come back to the other point. Okay. So that's what we said. We have normally you incur two main costs. The first one is the initial purchase cost, which is not allowable for tax relief. But then the other one is repairing, restoring, or replacement. They are all allowable, tax deductible expenses. Okay. Okay, before we go to how you can claim it, let's look at the summary points. Yeah, so let's look at what we have on a summary point. So we've gone through, say, tax relief on work uniform expenses. We say you can't claim for the initial purchase cost. However, you can claim for cleaning, you can claim for restoring, you can claim for replacement of the uniform. And then let's go on to the next one. We're going to look at how you can claim. I'm going back to the video and then we can have a look at how you can claim it here. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's look at how you can claim it. What you can do to claim for the tax relief would be based on one, the actual cost that you've incurred. Yeah. You can claim for the actual amount you've spent. Yeah, if you keep records of all the expenses, then you can actually claim for actual amount you spent. However, in some cases, HMRC have agreed that workers with particular occupations, they can claim a flat rate deduction. Some of these occupations include, let's say, agricultural workers, airline pilots and cabin crew, builders. Yeah, so if you're a builder, you can claim for the flat rate. Firefighters, police officers, healthcare workers like nurses, doctors, NHS staff, prison staff. They have a flat rate, but you can get in touch with us. I will still leave our contact details. You can get in touch with us and we can help you in terms of what you're entitled to claim. Yeah. Let's move on to the next point on the screen. So yeah, as I said, if you want to check in terms of what you're entitled to claim, you can always get in touch. But let's look at an example, a quick example of what you can claim, what the tax relief that you can get back when you claim for your work-related expenses, that is your uniform expense. So let's say you are a basic wage taxpayer, so you pay tax at 20%, and you incur uniform expense of 2,400 in the tax year 2020-21. As a result of that, you can claim a tax relief of 480 pounds. So yeah, so I hope this has been useful to you because most people don't claim, and if you're entitled to claim, by all means you can claim it. If you want more information on how you can claim, look on our contact details are on the screen. You can call us, our office line 0115 916 3180. You can WhatsApp us on 075 689 11660, or you can email us info@persontaxaccountant.co.uk, or just visit us on our website and we would love to hear from you. So thank you. I hope this has been useful to you. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Thank you very much for your time and hope you can join us again next time. Thank you.